Welcome to my YouTube video where I am teaching you how to make my Gullah inspired ragdolls. I'm drawing my passion for making the Gullah Geechee inspired ragdolls from our past history. Our history rich with the culture where they transformed rags into art. While the origin of the term rag dolls isn't certain, it is knotted to this tradition. Today, rags represent the art of upcycling old garments. Explore videos, tutorials on crafting rag dolls from upcycled materials and creating beautiful one-of-a-kind Gullah-inspired rag dolls. Subscribe where I will enjoy teaching you how to turn old discarded garments into beautiful Gala inspired rag dolls. Thank you. Subscribe. As you can see, I've taken a stretch top that I've had and I'm placing the pattern. Now don't forget to order your pattern. Your pattern, you can go to my website, which is Tybee Flower ragdolls.com and order your pattern. The patterns are on sale, so you can get started making beautiful, one of a kind personal gifts. And as you can see in the video, I am demonstrating how I'm laying the pattern onto the fabric. This is one of my favorite, the black and white look, using the synthetic braided hair, real synthetic braids, and attaching it to her hair and her scarf. You'll have to purchase some things like your tulle, Tulle, which comes in beautiful colors. Making layers of that. Purchase yourself some ribbons and rhinestones to adorn her. Continue in this journey with me and watch many of my videos where I will give you play-by-play instructions on how to create your Gala inspired rag dolls. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get notifications of my latest creations.